Hi, today I'm with me Cat S75 and I'll show you the face unlock tasks on this device. So I just set up my face recognition and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we could see, the finger face unlock option works here fast and correct and will just unlock the device successfully without any problems. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the pin code, passcode or pattern unlock methods. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.